Here's a pair of the Sony headphones. This is the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing that we should do is put the headphones in the pairing mode. So these headphones are currently off. Let me go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Now I know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. All right, I just get like a blue, 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 and eventually it's going to turn off. I get a bunch of blues and then it turns off. The reason is because I'm connected to another device that's near me. I think I'm connected to my iPhone. So for myself, I have to manually put these in a pairing mode, okay? I'm not getting the blue, 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 blue. So let me turn these off, press and hold that power button for a few seconds. It's turning off, okay? Now the headphones are off. Now I'm going to press and hold that power button. I'm going to keep holding until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So power button, press and hold, keep holding. Wait, blue, ooh, blue, 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 blue. There we go. Now we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV, and you just want to go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then just go to the settings icon on the left over here. So you want to go to the gear icon right there. Let's select OK on the remote. Now make sure the settings is highlighted up there. Let's go ahead and select it again. Now we want to go down one, go down to sound. So we're going to go down, sound, select that. And now we're going to go down to sound out, okay? Currently the sound out says TV speaker, but we don't want it to come out of the TV speakers. We want the audio to come out of these headphones. So let's go ahead and select TV out. Now from here, you want to go to use wireless speaker. So we're going to go down right there. Go ahead and select that. And now we're going to select Bluetooth device. Okay, now you see that little spinny thing down there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking the blue, 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 and it already did find the M6 headphones right there. It's already highlighted. Let's go ahead and select it. Click on OK on the remote. Okay, and it says connected down there as well. And I just heard the chime for the connection sound as well. So there you go. Now you can see that we're connected, ready to go. If you have issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.